How to handle your 8879 signature process. Streamlining the e-signature process for 8879 forms, ensuring efficiency. I'm currently inside my 1040 individual tax return pipeline. I have a stage that's dedicated to the e-signing step. If I open the list of automations in that stage, you will see that I have an email automation and a task automation. The email will include details about the signing process for the client in order to make sure that there's no confusion. The task will be created to notify someone from my team that they need to request the signature. Let's go through the whole process so you can see it in action. I'll drag a job into this e-signature stage and confirm the move. As you can see when I open it, the new task is linked inside the job. Now that I know that I have to request the signature, I'll go to the client's documents page and I will find the uploaded 8879 form. Keep in mind, to request a signature, the form will have to be inside a folder with the client can view rights. You can recognize it by this green eye icon here on the right. Now I'll click on the three dots on the far right and then choose Request Signature. The document will load and I will be able to place the signature fields in their appropriate spots. Alternatively, you can also use the 8879 signature template to automatically place all the fields where they belong. Because this specific form requires client authentication, I will also enable this KBA toggle before sending the signature request to the client. I also want to link the document to the job to trigger the automove. The Link Jobs button opens a list of available jobs, enabling me to link the document. Now I can mark my task as done. There's one automove trigger left. Once a document is signed, the job will be automatically moved to the next stage in the pipeline. We'll switch over to the client view to show how it works. A client can simply click on the notification for the signature request at the top of the page, and then they'll get to sign the document. Because the firm enabled KBA, meaning knowledge-based authentication, the client will have to enter their social security number and then answer some questions that were pulled from their public record. After successfully signing the document, I'll go back to the firm view and you'll see that the job automatically moved into the next stage and a new task was once again created and linked to the job.